Well, I'm glad we left the buddleias, guys. Never seen so many butterflies over here. Nice little red admiral there, look. 2 red admirals. Makes it all worthwhile, doesn't it? I'm just trying to think. There's I'm going to have a little count up of how many butterflies there are here, because there are large white and small white. There's meadow, there's a peacock there, look. Seem to be hundreds here now. Okay, just a little video to show you how the nature's here. Yeah, we've got 3 buddleias there. We're gonna have to obviously dig these brambles out, because they're all coming back again down this side here. I've left those there because those have got little flowers on as well. You know, even though there's bugs and bees all over them, look. Look at that little hoverfly there, look, tucking away. Yep, should be proud of yourselves, guys. The next buddleia. Bees all over them. Living. As you can see there. There's a red admiral there. We'll have a nosy over there, because like I say, we've got 4 buddleias. If we leave them, I want to try to find the little brown butterflies that were here. Yeah, this place is going to need a good strim before long. It's a little tiny butterfly of some sort there. I did know the name of it. It's going off. Yeah, so there he is. Seems to like these flowers here, with the cinnabar caterpillar should be here soon. Right, that concludes a little nature watch for a minute. Like I say, the buddleias are absolutely teeming with butterflies. You wouldn't have got that before with all the brambles covering over them. I have to do a massive planting of bulbs about the end of September, something like that. If anybody can get hold of any bulbs. Yeah, this place here is going to have to be dug out and pulled out later on. Can't see no little cinnabar caterpillars there. I know that if it's in fields, there's a hoverfly on there, enjoying himself. Where are you too? There you are. Yep, butterflies everywhere. Large white, small white, meadow browns, peacocks, red admirals. They're all here this morning. Beautiful, eh? Beautiful. Yeah, I'll get up here. This will all be trimmed down soon. Just butterflies everywhere. There's another little sort. We even get moths up here. Actual fact, no, that's a little tiny. Look at them on that thistle. We must encourage these little thistles. If I can get a photograph of that, no, I can't. It's too fast. But you get me drift, folks. Look at that. I'm glad we've got the thistles here. Little peacock down there. It's what you could call a nature walk with a cemetery. I know there's some. We'll just have a whip up here where the wildflowers have been. It's all coming back to grass now. Eventually, all this will be. This was all brambles. Little tiny white there, cabbage white. Not a cabbage white, small white. Laying its eggs. There you go, little fella. There he is, laying his eggs. That looks like a baby charlotte plant. It comes up in yellow flowers. It's looking good here. There's a burial there as well. We must tidy that one up. There's a little wildflower patch here. And you know the brambles that little buddleia back there. There's been a lot of caterpillars there. There's a meadow brown just gone off. Yep, heading towards the buddleia, but is it? No, it's not. No, it's not. Oh, that's a painted lady, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. If she'll hold still, look at a picture. There you go, folks. Makes it all worthwhile. At least 8 or 9 different butterflies species. Countless flies and hoverflies here. Bees. See our little wildflower patch here. There's an orange back bumble there on the poppy. There, look on the flower, on the over there on one of the graves is a red admiral sunning himself. Full of life. It pays to, you know, it's the excuse of leaving brambles in for nature is no excuse at all. Once you get rid of them brambles, the proper nature starts. Flowers and everything comes up, which is what has happened here at Egloshayle. These have just come up wild as they are. There's a little charlotte plant I was on about. Large white. 2 large whites.